to rotate our image. Can we see? Adjust it. So that is that about from gallery. Then draw. What draw means, it's if you want to use a pen tool on our pixel lab, if you want to use a pen tool on our pixel lab, you can just as well click on draw, so that you'll be able to make use of that function. Let's click on it. Can we see? Let's try and change the color of our pen. Let me change it to something blue. Okay, and our pen size is 10. Can we see? That's our pen size. If you reduce this, it will reduce also. Can we see? Then if you increase it, let's try and increase it. Can we see? So you can increase the smoothness. Then you can input fill. You can switch on fill inside for our pen to fill inside for our pen to. What this means is, maybe you draw a circle or you draw a shape. Instead of it to form ordinary line, it is going to fill in the gap in between with color of that pen that you selected. Let me try and practice this for you to understand. Can we see? But if you switch off fill inside, this is what results we are going to get. Can we see? So that is that. We can also switch on dash line. Can we see it's breaking? Can we see it is breaking? So another functionality under pen 2, is neon effects. Let's try the neon effects. Can we see the neon effects? Can we see the neon effects? Can we see the neon effects? So that is that about the shortcut 2. Now on the top left corner of the screen, you can see this particular icon. This is a particular icon that you can use to save your work. Let's try it. You can save it as project. You can save it as an image. If you save it as a project, you'll be able to work on it later. Maybe you have a slight correction on your work, or maybe you want to convert your work. To another format. You can just go there directly, and you can just save your work as project and be able to go there back directly and work on it. So you can also save it as image also. Take for example, we click here. This is what it's going to bring for us. You can see JPG. Means JPG is a form of format of an image that have no transparency. So if you click on it, you'll be able to save our image as a full printable format. But PNG is not. That's the secret between the two formats. PNG is not suitable for all printing. While JPEG is called JPG is suitable for all type of printing. You can print. You can any work, either documents, either graphic design, either CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator that you use. If you convert the work that you do, if you convert it to JPG, it is printable. JPG is adapted to any printer, while PNG is selective for most printers. So that's the secret. Then we also have dimension. If you click on dimension, this is what we are going to see. We are going to see defaults, we are going to see custom, we are going to see low, medium, high, very high, and ultra. Now, this is the secret. If your device is very poor in memory, you are not advised to export your work in ultra, because it will crash the work that you have been doing. Maybe you have spent maybe 4 hours on your work you have been designing. So maybe it's not the time to export it and send it to your client, or maybe you want to send it to a man that is in charge of let me say a printer. You want to send it to a printer. If your device is not strong enough, if your device processor is very weak, if you click on this ultra, it is going to crash the app. So I will advise you, maybe you can just try high, medium, high or medium, basically, or default. High, medium, or default. So if your device is good, you can just try and export your work in ultra format. So that is it. Moving on to the next icon. The next icon here, we have share icon. We have share icon. Share icon is also similar to save icon. Both of them are similar. Both of the icons are similar. Then on the right hand side of the screen at the top, you can see this particular icon. This particular icon means quotes. You can just add code directly to your work. Let's try and know what is there. Okay, you can see several codes here that we can add to our work. You can select from motivation to success, friendship, happiness, inspiration. You can just add any codes to your work. And we see, add any codes to your work. Okay, now the next icon here is, now these particular three dots at the top right corner of the screen is another shortcut, is another functionality of Pixel Lab. Is another shortcut. So let's try it. You can see the first option on the tab is use image from gallery. Use image from gallery. Now if you select it, you can also pick image. The functionality can also pick image directly from your gallery. It can pick image directly from your gallery. Can you see? Now also on the second tab, you can see another functionality that reads for full screen. It read full screen. Now here you can select full screen view our work. Can we see? You can try and let me preview our work. That's the functionality of that full screen. Then another functionality here is use image from camera. Now here, directly snap in photo from our camera. Maybe you want to add a picture of an house or any object from outside. So you can directly select image. You can directly import image directly from the camera here. Now another function here is export image. can we say is